Hi, this is Regitze Simonsen. Today I want to talk a little bit about female energy. And female energy is not just in men, in women, it's also in men. Actually, all human beings, we have both female and male energy. So there can actually be some women who have more male energy than female energy, and some men that has more female energy than male energy. So it's not tied to gender, but in general, females have a little bit more female energy than men has, and men have more male energy in general. But we have a mix of both. All people have a mix of both. So what is this female energy? The female energy is the stillness, the quietness, and it's actually connected with the night, the quietness, and the earth. We are very connected, or the female energy is very connected to the earth and to the body and to nature, to other beings, also other human beings. We have, or the female energy have more empathy and intuition and creation, and all these powers or energies. They're very powerful. Before, it was thought that the female energy was just weak, but it's actually very, very powerful because for instance, the creation, that is also the creation of any a business or any new invention. That is creation, or it can be art, and this ability to have intuition and empathy and connection with other people. That is a great gift for a business leader, for instance, to be able to connect with other people. That is one of the most important things for a business leader, I think, and to have empathy. And actually, if a business leader has a lot of feminine energy, he or she will be able to make decisions based on their intuition. It'll be correct decisions. So the female energy is very strong and powerful for in men and females. And how do we tie this to? I always tie it to veganism, to saving the animals and the planet, and it's pretty obvious because the female energy is the energy that has empathy, that feels the earth, that feels other beings, other human beings, but also other animals and plants and the whole entire earth. So when we have more empathy and understanding and feeling for nature around us, then we are not gonna destroy it because we know that it's so important and it's actually part of us. So we need to have more female energy in the world in order to save the earth from all this environmental destruction and save the animals from all this abuse that they're being put through in the animal production industry. But the world is shifting more towards female energy through the latest years here. And that is also necessary. Otherwise, we would completely destroy our planet with the environmental destruction. And most of that environmental destruction comes from the animal production industries and all that abuse that is going on there. That is also something that we will stop when we have more female energy, when we get this empathy, when we can actually see that it's hurting these animals, that we're hurting them the way that we're treating them there in the animal meat production industries. Comment below if you have any comments to it. Thank you so much for watching. Please give me a like if you like it, and please subscribe if you like content around female energy and spirituality and veganism. I try to tie everything up to veganism because it's so important that we stop this animal abuse in order to both save the animals and the planet and also our own health. So share it with anybody who might find it useful also, and thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye.